Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to customize business card templates and giving you 200 business card template with all font. For download, click on the download link from the description. All are print ready business cards. Let's start the work how to customize. Just go to inside and choose. Here is different type of card already printed design. Just choose on. I example I chose on this one, open, and front side. We know about the business card, one is front side, one is back side. So first front side we are doing this like here is already the templates, color and combination, and everything. Just you change your name like corporation. Here this you can delete and you can browse from your path location from your computer and just adjust it. You think like this is the logo of your company or your business, like this. Suppose this is the business card logo. Then text, if you need extra text, just press the alter and copy it, and if necessary any extra line just finish, and now you are ready to print the front side. We are going to other side, back side. Also here is lots of information. You can change the name and designation of your company, a specific person. Here is the reference information about the company and others information also have. So like this way you can just customize your business card. All are print ready business card, just change it the information and logo and other things, and it will be customized by your things. All are print ready information. So this is very useful things. These are the preview. How do it will come? These are the preview. So if you do like this will become, this preview will become like this. So thank you for keep with me, bring with me, and please subscribe my channel for more videos and related more files, lots of files I will give you. I am searching a lots of things for you. Just give me inspiration for and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.